My dear children, today in this module we are going to study a new chapter, that is depreciation. Business is established for indefinite period. This is why it acquires fixed assets for its use. The assets increases the profit earning capacity of the concern or profit earning capacity of the company. Fixed assets are constantly used in the business. The various types of fixed assets are tangible assets and intangible assets. The examples of tangible assets are plant and machinery, furniture, fittings, building, etc. The examples of intangible assets are goodwill, patent, copyright, mining rights, etc. Fixed assets are constantly used in the business. Due to the constant use of these assets lose their value. Loss in the value and the utility of the assets due to their constant use and expiry of time is termed as depreciation. Fixed assets are the assets which are used for the business for more than 1 year. Depreciation may be defined as the decline in the value of fixed assets due to usage of time, passage of time, or obsolescence. In other words, if a business enterprise procures a machine and uses it in production process, then the value of the machine declines with its usage. Even if the machine is not used in the production process, we can not expect it to realize the same sales price due to the passage of time or arrival of a new model. It implies that fixed assets are subject to the decline in the value of assets, and this decline is technically referred to as depreciation. Depreciation may be defined as it is a measure of the wearing out, consumption, or other loss of value of depreciation assets arising from the use of the time or obsolescence through technology and market changes. Depreciation is allocated so as to charge a fair proportion of the depreciable amount in which accounting period during the expected useful life of the asset. Depreciation includes amortization of assets whose useful life is predetermined. According to American Institute of Certified Public Accountant, depreciation accounting is a system of accounting which aims to distribute the cost or other basic value of tangible assets less the salvage value over the estimated useful life of the asset. Depreciation accounting is a process of allocation, not of a valuation. The depreciation for the year is the proportion of the total change under such a system that is allocated to the year. According to R.N. Carter, depreciation is gradual and permanent decrease in the value of an asset from any cause. According to W. Pickles, depreciation may be defined as permanent and continuing diminution in the quality or other value of the asset. According to Spicer and Pegler, depreciation is the measure of exhaustion of the effective life of an asset from any cause during a given period. There is one more definition. According to Accounting Standard 6, depreciation is the measure of the wearing out, consumption, or other loss of the value of a depreciable asset arising from the use or time or obsolescence through technology and market changes. According to ICMA, that is Institute of Cost and Management Accounting London terminology, the depreciation is the diminishing in the value of the asset due to use and or lapse of time. According to Accounting Standard 6 issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, every company is liable to make a provision for depreciation on its fixed assets.